right, Tony, let's
All right, here we go. Double hook
pretty
up.
quick. We got a double hookup.
Double hook up.
2 rookies on the rods. Here we go. How's it going, boys?
What's up?
All right. Let's see it, boys.
Take the GoPro.
Yeah. Switch the GoPro. Switch the GoPro, guys. Come on. Alright, boys.
Holy shit.
Alright? Yeah. Tuna on the deck. Daybreak. It likes fish at daybreak.
Too high, too high, too high. Back up.
Ralphie on the leader. Leader that thing.
Foul hook. Foul hook. Not foul.
Oh,
Look that way.
up. Ah! Quick release. All right, and that's a wrap, folks.